error 0x800F081F translates to "the source files could not be found." This means that Windows Update can't find the files needed to install the KB5062 660 cumulative update, either because they're missing, corrupted, or Windows can't access them. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wserv. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 catroot2.old. Type netstart wserv. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart msi server. Type Exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter.